Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today, as you guys might have read from the title down below, I'm sharing with you guys a fall themed bracelet making video, and I'm seriously so excited. Now, I launched my spooky collection at the end of August on Kellyprepster which is my small business. It's always linked down below. I also have a second channel where I make these videos every single week, so I'll insert a card in case you guys want to go check it out over there. But I do love making these videos on this channel as well, along with my fashion and day in my life vlogs. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys like it. Now I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers on my second channel, so if you subscribe over there, let me know, because if we hit 10,000 subscribers by my birthday, which is September 10th, I'm giving away a $100 store credit to a subscriber on that channel. So be sure to hit subscribe. It seriously means the world to me, and I can't wait because I have so many fun bracelets that we're going to be making today. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's get right over to my desk and I'll pull out all of my bracelet making supplies. So today we're going to be using pony beads. This is my tray that I like to measure all of my bracelets on. I am so sorry, it's got so many random things on it, but this is a tray that came with my pony bead bracelets, and these are from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. I also have a few from Amazon. They don't sell them in these containers anymore, but this tray, you can find any tray, is just 7 inches across. This is how I measure all my bracelets. You guys will see it in this video. So we're also going to be using pony beads. This is like the traditional one. We have the pastels, and then I have these really fun fall colors. I think we're going to pull this one out today because we're doing a fall video, right? Don't these colors just kind of scream fall? I think they're so pretty. They do get a little mixed up in the drawer. We're also going to need some elastic, and this is my favorite. It's by the brand Go Create. I just put my sticker on it. It's Kellyprepster Studio, and they sell this at Walmart. It's by far the best elastic. And we are also going to need some scissors. These are just my favorite little kid scissors that I've had forever. Now, I also recommend having some letter beads, and you guys can tell my small business is taking over. I have so many different beads, but it's so much fun. So these are just alphabetized letters. This is an example of the new packaging. I go through these beads so much that I alphabetized all my alphabet beads in them. So we're gonna get those out. I'm running a little low on eyes and the other vowels, so I'm gonna put that in there and open this drawer back up because we're gonna need our colors. But oh gosh, I'm a hot mess today. So we're going to write out some ideas for what we want our bracelets to say. So I'm going to write them down on this post-it note, and then I'll share them with you guys, and we'll pull out all of the letters. And you guys are more than welcome to make the same or similar bracelets. So I did Hey Boo, Basic, Witch, Boo, Football, Spooky, Fall, Autumn, and Halloween. So now we're going to go through and get all the letters and spell them out and put them on the tray. And I'll be sure to show you guys this whole process. Hey Boo, Boo, Basic, Witch, Football, Spooky, Fall, Autumn, Halloween. And I think these are going to be such cute bracelets. So now we need to pick out what colors we're going to pick for each of them. And for example, like I'll grab one of these colors and I'll place it next to the word. So when I get to that bracelet, I know what color to pick because I make them one at a time. So I'm going to go by and pick a color for each of them, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so I might have ended up using all of the beads from this tray. I think they're gonna be so cute. So we have this like steel blue for Hey Boo, a light gray for Boo, this really pretty magenta purple for Basic Witch. I did like this little pattern for football. I'm hoping it looks like a football, like you know how they have the stripes in white. Then this dark cobalt blue for Spooky, a green for fall, this really pretty like maroony color for autumn, and this bright orange for Halloween. So now my favorite part is to string them all together. So I'm gonna use my elastic, and I like to keep this on the spindle while I'm using it, so I'll set it right on this side. You'll be able to see it, and then I'll cut it at the end, and I like to work from the bottom up. I just find that that works best for me. And I put my headphones on because I love listening to music, and so that way I can be as quiet as possible for you guys to hear all of the ASMR of the beads. And I'm currently listening to the 5 Seconds of Summer mix on Spotify. It's so good. So let's get beading. My goodness, you guys, they turned out so cute. So we have Spooky, Football, Basic Witch, fall, boo, autumn, Halloween, and hey boo. So let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this bracelet making video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys liked it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Again, I will have my second channel and my website linked down below in case you guys want to check out my small business and find out more about it. It would seriously mean the world to me. But I hope you guys are having a great week so far. Happy early fall. I hope you're breaking out your sweaters. If you guys want to see some fashion inspo and some fall essential videos, let me know in the comments down below. I love chit-chatting with you guys, and I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. And I'll see you guys back here very soon with another new YouTube video. Bye guys!